on, Bear. Come on, Bear. What are you doing in there? We had a load of rain yesterday, so I'm just coming to see how everything's doing. And it looks like the pumpkins are coming on quite well. A little herb bed I planted out is just starting, so they were quite weeny when they came out. My one volunteer potato plant. I've got a row of marigolds here. And the beans are popping up. A few gaps by the looks of it along here. Lettuce, so this front row was the last plant out, so it's going to take a while to establish. They were planted out probably a week beforehand, so that's good. Have a little look and see. Do my garlic scapes. I've got one hoop. Am I supposed to wait for 2 hoops, I think? Summer squash. Oh, I've got a flower coming, so I should probably pinch that off so it puts its energy into growing rather than putting on fruit yet. Again, I've got more marigolds here, and Bridget's sunflowers are just starting to pop up now, very slightly. My kale was very small when it came out. It still looks quite small. It's like got a lot of weeds. Some marigolds at the back there. I may have planted a few too many marigolds. And tomatoes. You can see it's starting to put on leaders. Not quite big enough. This one's flowering. They're all flowering. Crazy. Run before the sprinkler gets me. So we're getting ready to move the piggies. They have completely decimated this place. I think Marcus is leaving in their wallow though. They love their wallow. The piggies are in their run for now. Just removing the wire from where it is at the minute.
It's not that scary.
Where are we headed to now? Yourself, young lady. Second line. Turkeys. You're going to have piggies as neighbours soon. You're not on your viewing perch. What are you doing, Tuk-Tuks? Hi. Hi, Maggie. Oh, it's a little tiny rabbit. Hi, baby rabbit.
He's so fluffy.
Look at his little back legs. Hi. Welcome to the world.
It's a terrible, terrible place.
Please don't trip over that.
It's just a handful of rabbit. Hi, Bunny. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so tiny. Just put him in the pocket. It's a bunny pocket.
Repaired the ground. I've redone the earth ground. Still can't find out why the electric fence won't work. I'm touching it. It's just not working.
Did you switch it on?
Well, I didn't listen to my physics teacher when I was at school. Apparently,
You went to school?
yeah, you can't get electric shock if you wear thick rubber boots. So if you kneel down and then touch the electric fence with your forehead, you get an electric shock.
So it's working.
Nice sweaty electric forehead. Yeah, so it's working. So we can let the pigs out now.
Oh, they're squeaking a bit.
Carry some of the stuff away, darling. Come on then. Come on, come out to play. Come on then.
Ooh, green.
Look what I got for you. Come on, fatty. You'll be brave. Come on, be brave. Be brave. Come on, be brave. Scary, isn't it, big girl? Yeah, you let your sister have a go.
Don't think you needed the electric fencing, they're going nowhere.
Funny, isn't it?
Bet you they would for cream cheese. He says, I don't want to come out. See, it's not so bad. Look, there's food. Let's go back in. Yeah, thanks for the new pen, Marcus. I don't want it.
Come on then. Are you fighting over it? Come on, man. It's not that scary out here. You won't come out your house. Come on, be brave. You can do it. Come on, be brave. I think Gina wants to come out too. You're going to have to let Gina out as well. Come on. So I'm sitting here first thing in the morning, as you do, with your pigs. Trying to encourage them to come out into this new pasture with all the greenery and woods and all that sort of stuff, but they don't want to come out.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest.
So, because no one can turn a hosepipe off in this house, what I've done is added just a little float valve to the pig trough, and they can just plug on the quick connect. There you go. You're definitely the boss lady, aren't you? Hey? Come on, out you come.
You've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be.
Hey porkies. Hey bacon. You nibbling?
Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go, I understand.
The chickens are looking good. Just moved in, it's got their fresh grass.
I don't know if you can call them looking good.
Well, it's been a bit wet.
They're ugly as sin.
Ugly. It's not
Disgusting,
nice, is
ugly
it?
things.
It's not a nice thing to say, Marcus.
I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go
Hi, piggies.
out, we're gonna
Hi.
be okay. If all the
You got a
blue
nice new area
skies
scratched up. Look, you made a big old mess. Look at you. Oh, you're so busy. Busy bees. What about the one back here? And you? Keeping busy?
We like lettuce too, Mummy. Come on, eat your lettuce. Alright, you're next.
Don't pet my little pins. Something tells me that the weather forecast was slightly wrong, but that looks flooded back there. Marcus is going to check on the piggies. Not going to have to water the garden for a while, that's for sure. Just had to move the meat chicks along so they're slightly higher up. That bottom bit always floods, which is why we planted the pumpkins there. But yeah, that is one wet garden.
Swimming! Poor piggy!
What happened? What happened, Piggy? She's just coming out for the toilet.
Quick, stop, anything, catch it, bucket, plastic, anything.
That just... Stop smiling at that, please.
I got pigweed.
Right.
Quick, get me another bucket in case she comes out. Pregnancy testing for the piggies. So it's really quite simple. All we do is get a bucket of pig pee.
It's a lot of pee.
Don't put too much on.
How much do you put on?
Well, it should only go up to the line, it shouldn't go past the line.
In here?
Yeah. And you should get a positive C if it's correct, and then a T if they're pregnant as well, so it'll be 2 lines, but that's probably
enough?
Let's go COVID test.
we can't be 100% sure, and when we were observing him, he wasn't doing the job properly anyway, in which case it would be about just over the 42 days. I would have thought.
You know you've changed, haven't you?
How?
Well, when we married, did you ever think that you'd be sitting at our dining room table talking about pig pregnancy tests with a bucket of pee on the pig pee on the table?
No, it's different from when I did it. I didn't pee in a bucket.
Can we not talk about that stuff?
That's definitely a second line coming. I mean, it's not like as big as the first line, but that's definitely a second line.
It's not like the human ones where it says you are 6 weeks pregnant, or you are 15 days.
Or some of them on the movies have smiley faces and sad faces. That would have been cool. Can we
They
get
should
one
have,
next
like,
time?
A sad face of being pregnant.
They should come up. They should come up with like a piglet. They should come up with a piglet if there's a piglet in there.
Yeah.
But you don't know which pig that was.
Gina.
You could tell what
Because it was rain, so I could see they weren't muddy.
It'd been so
they
muddy,
had the
you couldn't tell
markings.
them apart.
So I could see the
Gina was
markings.
the first one as well, wasn't she?
She was the first one on here.
No, she was the second one we saw. She definitely wasn't first go. We saw her after they'd been out there about 4 weeks. So
The question is, do we keep
conception maybe?
do we keep him until the question is, do we keep the ball with them until they litter?
We don't know if Virginia's pregnant yet.
I think they are. We haven't seen any activity for over a month. No, I would put Mr. Fonzie in the freezer and set about making sure that we've got pig nursery pins.
being watered.